Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the Lightning Owl and confirming basic readiness. Plug in the charger or install a fresh internal battery and wait for the green LED. That indicates stable voltage for consistent sound. Insert the SD card with your selected calls and make sure the mic battery is seated. A poor connection ruins realism. Once done, mount the unit 3 to 6 feet high, pointing toward likely owl flight paths, so sound projects naturally and attracts attention. You now pick the right call and tailor settings for environment and behavior. Browse your card for short, authentic owl sequences. These mimic natural contact and reduce suspicion. Adjust volume depending on cover, higher in open areas, lower in dense woods. Next, set programmed intervals so the call runs 5 to 10 minutes then rests 20 to 30 minutes. This staggered pattern prevents habituation and keeps responses honest. Finally, test one cycle to confirm tone and timing before leaving the site. You finish by deploying and monitoring quietly to convert setup into results. Arm the remote or start the timer, then move to a concealed observation point about 100 to 150 yards away so your presence doesn't alter behavior. If you get no response, switch call types, lower volume, and lengthen pauses. Owls respond better to less pressure and unpredictability. If it won't play, reseat batteries and SD card, clean the contacts and speaker grill, and run another test cycle to confirm restoration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.